David Dixon was the honor, the memory of David Dixon, who served for 17 years the Commonwealth Games Federation as the honorary secretary, and at the last Commonwealth Games, that was in 2006, India's Samresh Jung was awarded the David Dixon Award, the athlete of the Commonwealth Games. So really wonder who is going to get this award today, this night, this prestigious David Dixon Award.
पूरी तरह से संगीतमय है वातावरण, हर्षोल्लास का वातावरण। दिवाली आने में अभी थोड़ा वक्त बाकी, लेकिन आज लगता है मारो भारत यहां जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम में दिवाली मना रहा है।
There's a lot of expectancy here as the athletes come in, and in fact for all the athletes they've really kept in the chairs which are just at the field of play area instead of giving them place on the stands. They've really identified chairs on the field of play area, so they're really close to the heart of the action as the evening will unfold for the music, the cultural extravaganza and the laser show.
Uganda.
Just to mention some of the nations who come onto the medal tally, who just got a bronze medal: St. Lucia, Guyana, Bangladesh, our neighbor, they picked up a bronze medal. Tonga got 2 bronze, Mauritius 2 bronze, Isle of Man 2 bronze, Seychelles 1 silver, Namibia picked up 1 silver and 2 bronze. So really, across the entire Commonwealth spectrum, nations have picked up medals. India's other neighbor, Pakistan, picked up 2 gold, a silver and 2 bronze. Sri Lanka, where the head of state is here, a gold, a silver and a bronze. Nauru, gold and a silver. So even the small island nations have been successful. There you see the Pakistan flag. They just mentioned Pakistan with 2 gold, a silver and 2 bronze. And they got a fantastic welcome. That shows the love and affection between the 2 neighboring countries. But people are really able, and there you see the Prime Minister of India and the head of state for Sri Lanka, President Rajapaksa, to really congratulate their athletes and the athletes of the Commonwealth. You just see on the flag of Sri Lanka, and here you see the athletes from Pakistan. They got a fantastic welcome when they came in at the opening ceremony. In fact, the Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, Mr. Sonia Gandhi, they're standing right through to welcome the sports persons from our neighboring countries, really showcasing the warmth, the depth of love and affection to ensure that India and its neighboring countries, besides the other countries in the Commonwealth, really have a fantastic fraternity to build upon.
वैसे भी जोसलिन, पाकिस्तान से आशाएं थी कि कम से कम भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच हॉकी में फाइनल का मुकाबला हो, लेकिन पाकिस्तान भारत से परास्त हो गया। दूसरी तरफ आज भारत हॉकी में 8-0 से फाइनल में हार गया, लेकिन पहला मौका है जहां तक कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स का सवाल कि भारत ने रजत पदक प्राप्त किया।
As most of the countries have come in, and now at the rear end, that's India coming in just behind them. There you can see the athletes with disabilities, the elite athletes who have so valiantly taken part in these games, and that's part of the entire, the concept of camaraderie, to bring them players together, despite whatever maybe your calling as Indians, sports persons come into the field. They'll get a great welcome here. And as I was mentioning, the athletes with disabilities doing so well. They had a good response. They've been welcomed. And definitely the Commonwealth, which has brought about the concept of equality for all, goes a long way in developing